Okay, so we have these 7 clusters. Notice you can read the name here, the cluster. So this is cluster number 4, this is part of cluster number 3. Now we have this functionality here, clustering. So search site from clusters. So now you're trying to find the best spot to put your gateway in order to have maximum connectivity to the nodes. So you click that function here, and this is asking you where you would like to put your gateways. You want to put them on the rooftop, for example, or in the open areas. So you can specify here. You can have separate clutter type for the sites or the locations where you can actually implement a gateway. So you subscriber database, select the subscriber database you have, and you select the maximum distance 1K. Antenna height of this base station you expect to be, for example, 20 meters. What's the frequency that this base station will operate on? So this is, although it's a gateway, but this gateway will be communicating with the nodes on the same band, which is, I specified it to 2.3 gigahertz. The radiated power, this is the maximum radiated power of the ERP. This is the ERP. So I'll set it, for example, here to, let's say, 4 watt. Remember, this is the gateway, it's not the backhaul for now, just the gateway, the node which is in the best location to have maximum connectivity. So you hit start. Now what the software will do here will give you a result, which is a suggestion where you can put your gateway in order to have maximum visibility or maximum connectivity to the rest of the cluster. So you should have a confirmation or a recommendation for each cluster where the best spot would be to put the base station. So what the software is doing here is examining different spots randomly in each cluster, and then the software will replace that spot with a base station, and then we'll find what is the maximum number of nodes connected to that spot. And in each case, the software will take the value, and then in the end we'll do a comparison, and we'll give you a suggestion that what spot is best for the scenario. Now the process is done. Let's see how we can interpret the results. So we have clusters, and the result is actually that color in the back. Okay, so if you look at the here at the legend, so 84, the light brown is 84%. What does that mean? So that means when you find the brown spot here somewhere on the map, that means under that cluster, if you put base station, you will be able to reach 84% of this cluster, 87% or 84% of the nodes. So you can easily say that you can see the sites where you actually can implement the gateway. Alright, so let's take you in somewhere here. You actually notice that for this cluster, if you zoom in, you see the brown sites. I'll just get rid of this cluster. So see these brown areas here? So that means you can actually implement a site here and have a very decent location. You can put your base station here. So that base station will actually connect one of the gateways here or multiple of the gateways. You repeat the process for the rest of the clusters. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 base stations of 6 potential gateway locations. Of course, you can add more gateways, and then you can treat this one as your backhaul. Now, what you can do as well, the clustering here, you can do station to subscriber. You can connect the station here, the gateway, and the nodes. That will tell you what are the potential links that can be established between these gateways and nodes. And then find out the load per gateway. This is result.